Alrighty guys, y'all see this 2005 Gen 1 PT Cruiser. Look, the tow truck towed it here and just left it right here. Now it was towed from another shop, guys. Y'all know where this is headed. I'm not gonna call no shop name because I don't know the shop name. However, where's the damn key at? So I have the key right here. Let's see. Yeah, surely they didn't tow it here because a battery dead. I have no juice, guys. Oh my goodness. Well, there goes that. If the other shop can't jump a car off or put a battery in it, oh, what good are they? All right, Cousin Pookie might didn't do this because surely they smart enough to know. Yeah, they're not gonna tow it here for no dead battery. All right, guys, let me go get my jump box. Alrighty, y'all see this? Got my fancy my jump box that I had no choice but to get. My Mopar jump box died, guys. Where's the battery? They hiding the damn battery under the air cleaner. Yeah, go figure. All right, okay, let's see if we can get this thing jumped off, guys. If they towed this car in just because the battery was low, those are some crazy folks. All right, so positive, negative, negative, negative. All right, let's infuse 6.9. Yeah, the battery low. Now I just infused 12 volts to it. Let's see what the hell going on around here. All right, did they tow it in? I got juice. Hey, let's see what happened. Uh-oh, that don't sound good. Oh, well, damn. Okay, guys, I got a full tank of gas. All right. Now, this is not one of those multi-air engines where you have to have oil. Speaking of oil, they did say they went and got a oil change. Where's my dipstick? Oh my goodness, I don't have a rag. Whoa. Whoa. Wait a minute. Hold on. Let me stick this back in here. Wipe that out. Guys, I'm so we doing the ghetto way, the bootleg Cousin Pookie way. We're gonna use our hand to wipe this off. Did I just see what I thought I seen? What I thought I had seen all the way down. Oh no. What? Wait a minute. Guys, there ain't nothing. Is my eyes deceiving me? All right, one more time. Look, ain't nothing on the stick. The engine is not locked up. I just got to cranking it over. Holy crap, wait. There ain't a damn drop on this stick, on this, what the, is it an oil filter on here? Where's the oil filter, in the front or the back? Hold tight, guys. Whoa. I think the oil filter, yeah. Uh-oh, I see a drip on it. Uh-oh, that's not a Mopar filter. I see oil leaks everywhere. Hey, man. I don't want no part of this. I mean, she just left the oil change. Left from getting the oil change. And I don't want to call the company out because I could get sued doing that. Yeah, I got in trouble last time I did that. So I had to call out Cousin Pookie, but this ain't Cousin Pookie, damn it. This is a name brand facility. Anybody want to take a stab at which facility? Put it in the comment section. I'll let you know if you're right. Oh my goodness. Guys, stay right here. Don't move. We're going to talk to somebody. I'm taking y'all along with me. This is crazy. Wait a freaking minute. Oh my, I I just don't believe what I just. Hold tight. Hey, that PT Cruiser ain't got a drop of oil in it.
That's what I'm thinking. Yeah.
They just changed the oil. It's shot. I mean, it feel like it ain't got no compression. It's not locked up though.
Yeah, it seemed kind of weird. I wasn't sure whether it was or wasn't. I put the jump box to it.
Oh, you tried to jump it on? Yeah, it tries to turn over. It's just not locked up, but it's internal damage. Damn, they're gonna have to pay for her engine. Holy crap! Huh? Oh, it's not.
I had a customer last year.
What are they hiring up there?
They PT Cruiser, oil change, got a liquor oil.
They ain't got a drop of oil in it. I thought it was something I did.
Better be one like
Now it's a yellow filter on there. Would look like somebody just changed it, but it's leaking. Pennzoil.
It's leaking from the filter.
Yeah, I see leaks all over the filter. So but this ain't a drop in it now. So the engine is done.
Yeah.
Holy crap! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Somebody going down. Who are they hiring at these places? Again, guys, I got to refrain from calling out the name. I'll let y'all figure that part out. Oh my goodness! That ain't funny. What the hell? They sent this PT Cruiser to its early grave. Oh my goodness! JT, do something. I want to do something. Ain't nothing I can do. Guys, any repair attempt that I even make, I'm going to be liable for this thing. No, here it is right here. It's not locked up, but it ain't, I ain't fooling with it. No, sir. Because here's what's going to happen. That place that I'm trying to refrain from speaking on, they're going to send their guys out here and verify. So if I move, I'm not going to even take it in the shop. If I move it or do anything, it could appear that I sabotaged it, but that's not the case. And I'm glad I'm filming because but they already know. So the guy that wrote it up already pulled the dips. See, that's what I'm saying. They led me on a wild goose chase. And this is something that they already pulled the dipstick, found there ain't no oil in it. Why ain't y'all tell me that? This is crazy. Yeah, I'm not attempting any kind of repair on this thing. They need an engine at this point. It's a PT Cruiser. They might just buy her out. Before, you know how much the engine is for this thing? And how much labor I'm going to charge to put it in? It'd be cheaper to just pay her for the car. I'm not going to belittle her car because obviously she loves her car, but that place she took it to get the oil change, dropped the ball. Guys, I got to go. I'll keep y'all up to date. I'll let y'all know holy crap, this is crazy. Guys up there talking like they sent me on a damn wild goose chase. All right, now before I totally condemn the engine, remember there's no oil in it. It's just spinning over as if no compression. Now guys, you got to keep in mind how hydraulic lifters work. Okay, yes, there will be some form of oil pressure needed to get them pumped up. If they're not pumped up, you essentially, your valves may not open and close properly. Okay, that's why you would get that sense of that sound of like the engine there's no compression. Okay, the valves have to be pumped up in order for compression to happen because the valves need to open and close. No, the lifters need to be pumped up so you can get proper compression, meaning the valves are opening and closing properly. All right, that's the only way you're going to start. So there is no oil in it. However, the engine is not seized up. So before I condemn the engine, now from a risk standpoint, we can't take those risks. So we still have to write up an engine because we don't know how much damage riding around with no oil did. That's just the rules around here, guys. I know some of y'all mechanics and y'all will fix this or y'all will patch it up and send it on its way. It's just that we don't operate like that. Liability. You got to understand that word liability. Some shops can do Brothers Motors. Yeah, we would try our best to get her back on the road properly because we're a small company. They're not going to go after us in a lawsuit. Huge companies, big companies, no, people are lawsuit prone and lawsuit trigger happy. So we got to be careful what we write up and what we say. And besides, the place that did it have insurance, so they let them make the call. Okay, we're gonna write up an engine. This is gonna be their decision to say whether they're gonna replace it or not, or whether they want it patched or not. Now they have an automotive service center. They could do exactly what I'm doing. I'm gonna put some oil in it and see if I can get the lifters pumped back up enough to start and run. Okay, yeah. I totally condemn the engine. I'm saying engine because that is the only repair I can offer at this point, knowing what we know. All right. So let me fill this up with oil. Go get my jump box, and we gonna see what happens. All right, got my jump box hooked up. Now I have an adequate amount of oil. So, hope that don't fall. Let's see if we can luck up. Again, the good news is it's not seized up. Okay, can't beat that news. So let's see if we can pump these lifters up. There you go. Oh, y'all hear that noise? Oh no. Oh, so it's knocking. Oh, blow by. Well, yep, they destroyed it. Look at all that blow by. They got oil coming out. Y'all ever seen blow by? Y'all know what the term blow by means? So I got oil in it. I wonder if it's leaking out. Let's see. Yep, look. Oh my God. But still, where's that leaking from? Y'all let me know what y'all see. You know what? They took this in to get a oil center unit replaced. I bet it's leaking. Yeah, that's in the area of the oil pressure sensor. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this engine is shot, bro. Oh my good. Guys, yep, I'm standing by my word. I need an engine. Look at that. Blow by. I gotta go. That's all I have, man. Again, I'm not calling out the place that did it, but somebody's in trouble. Damn, that's coming from that, let me see if I can get a better angle from this. What y'all see down there? Yep, I see it. Wow. Yeah, she had an oil light on. She went in and got the oil pressure sensor replaced and an oil change. And here are the ending results. I bet that's not a Mopar. See, this is the danger and the risk you take in replacing parts with crappy ass parts. That's probably a damn German oil pressure sensor unit. Guys, I gotta go. I'm frustrated. I'll talk to y'all later. I'll let y'all know what happened.